which is a membership organization for civic service and leadership and professional development. We are planning a very exciting fundraising opportunity and event. We're calling this series Love Your City Series, and basically what we're going to do is partner the ABCs. So we're going to get a local artist, some musicians, we're going to get a local business. We're holding this event at the Factory Gastropub in Bixby Knolls, and we're going to donate the funds and support a local cause. So today we're going to talk with Link Housing Volunteer Resource Manager Ian Navarez. And he's going to tell us a little bit about this partnership that we're going to have with Link Housing.
I've been with Link Housing for 6 years as a volunteer resource manager, and basically my role is to engage the community to support our cause of providing affordable housing and life enhancing services to low-income families and seniors.
Can you tell us a little bit about, we're actually in front of the Palace right now, where we are going to be kind of channeling our efforts and our partnership.
The Palace used to be a hotel off of Anaheim Boulevard in Long Beach. It's actually our flagship Long Beach community. Link is a headquartered nonprofit organization in Long Beach, but we're a statewide agency, and this is our first Long Beach community. It's a historic preservation, and it has been rehabilitated to be environmentally sustainable and house transitional age youth coming out of the foster care system. It is also a mixed-use development. In other words, it has both residential units and commercial retail up front. iCraft, that is going to be a iPad and an iPhone repair store that is going to employ the transitional age youth coming out of the foster care system at that store. There's a pretty daunting statistic when you think about kids coming out of the foster care system. About 75% of all kids transitioning, aging out of that program end up homeless at some point in time in the next first 10 years of their life out of the foster care system. Link Housing really obviously feels that that's way too high of a number. So what we've done is we've partnered with UFC, United Friends of the Children, with their Pathways program to bring in 14 transitional age youth every 18 months to live in this community, to go through leadership training, career development, support pursuing their educational opportunities, and then providing them those life skills that they need so that at the end of their time with the Pathways program, they're able to live, healthy, independent, sustainable lives.
I know you're all wondering how you can help out, and with this information, what are you going to do with that? So kind of tell us, what can the community do from here to next steps?
Sure.
Maybe?
Absolutely. In order to sustain communities like this, there's funding that's needed to go into, maintaining the building, making sure that the lights are on, making sure that maintenance is completed, making sure that there's, professional property management staff that are here on site. So one way, obviously, through fundraising for Link Housing, is to make sure that this building is here and that new buildings like this are able to pop up throughout our beautiful community. Besides that, there's the service provision side of it, where United Friends of the Children brings in social workers, brings in educators and professionals to work with these kids, like, as I mentioned, on those life skills development, educational components, career development. So hopefully funding as well is going to be able to be funneled into United Friends of the Children and the Pathways program to help give these kids a real opportunity in the future.
The next step also is to attend our event on the end of April and join us at the Factory and listen to some live tunes and support a great local cause. Thanks so much.